Oh!
Oh, I'm getting that. I am getting that little lion. You're mine. You are mine. I'm getting this thing.
Yeah. Oh! Yeah!
I'm happy now. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Hey guys, we're here at Pinstax, and we're gonna have some daddy-daughter time, so that's fun. But we're gonna eat lunch first, and then we're gonna go play some arcade games, do like the rock wall, the rope course, and all that. So we'll see you there. Which one's the gas?
The one on the right one.
Oh, this is why I'm too scared to drive.
Please wait.
Okay, here we go. Mario Kart. I'm gonna be Pac-Man. Oh, dang it! I hit Mario instead. I want to. I don't know what I'm doing.
What do you mean?
I told her to do the Titanic move up there. So there's nothing to hold on to, just the bar. That's all it is up there. Oh, it moves! That thing moves! Oh my gosh, that moves right there. Come on, Avery! So Avery's trying to go on this thing, but it actually rotates, it moves. Yeah, I don't think I would go. I think that I wouldn't do that one. She kept slipping. No, we're gonna go the other way. Oh well.
Look how close it is. It is right
We
there.
just put in
It's right there.
$20 on this thing and
It is right
zero.
there.
Didn't get the
It's
ticket.
really right
Trying to get this
there.
one ticket. That ticket right there.
It's right there. You're.
No luck. All right, we're out of here. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Have a magical day. Bye-bye. God bless. I got two! Oh!
Oh no!
What? I had two of them!
That's so
Rigged. This
sad.
thing is rigged. Out of order?
What?
Yeah.
You kidding me? I can't pick that up.
Kick like this.
Oh my gosh, are you kidding me?
10.
Get that out of my face.